Good day, traders. So we are here with the second video today, which will be for the EURCHF analysis. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do it right away, not to miss any of the future analysis that we do on the daily basis. So before we get started, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Okay, so recently we had the analysis for the Euro Swiss franc buying opportunity. So there was a perspective for EURCHF to go up. Although with this breakout, I reanalyzed the pair, and this breakout is definitely looks extremely bearish. We can see this uptrend trend line, which clearly has been broken. And on the daily time frame, we had a break below the moving averages, which were rejected here. So this was also important support. There was a breakout of the trend line, there was a breakout of moving averages, and all this price action is starting to get very bearish. And what I think that this pair will be driven by the Swiss franc strength. Because of the gold upside potential, Swiss franc usually follows that. Like Canadian dollar follows the oil, US oil, the Swiss franc follows the gold. So there are correlations in that, and the same correlation we can see on the Swiss franc. And this should be the potential downside move on the Swiss franc, which could take it down to the 1.0636 level, 33 level, which is about 90 pips downside potential from the current price. Euro Swiss franc doesn't move that much, but the 90 pip move for this pair is still a lot. Because it usually moves in much smaller scales, like 30-40 pips. That's a normal move. So this is quite a big move for this currency pair, and I would expect it to start from now. I don't think the price will be going anywhere above this high produced today. I think this was the highest high because the daily close was just at the trend line. And we can see that here is also a 50% FIPS that I have applied to this last wave to the upside. This was the support FIPS, and it has been broken and then rejected. So this rejection, I think that that was the highest high. In the worst case scenario, there could be another spike above this price, but very doubtfully. If it's a downtrend, I don't think price will be going much higher, although of course it could be testing this moving average. It's a worst case scenario that there will be another spike to retest one of the moving averages, although I don't think it's highly probable at this stage. I think it's very little probability for this kind of scenario. All in all, this rejection suggesting that the price is about to initiate a stronger move down. There was a extended consolidation, 2 or 3 months, price just was going sideways, but now we see this breakout and it's starting to look extremely bearish to me. So what is the support? The support is based on 2 FIPS. First is, as we spoke, this FIPS applied to the last wave to the upside, which is 88.6% retracement, and the second FIPS applied to the overall downtrend, which is 23.6 FIPS, which makes the support area near 1.0635. And this is where previously price has been rejecting the moving average. You can see here was the rejection, here was the rejection, here was the support. And this level is clearly was the supply zone, then it was the demand zone, and now it could be once again the demand zone. And this is where price could be heading in the next couple of days. Maybe it will be fast. I mean, it could be that it will be something similar to this sort of move that we saw, this fast growth, or this kind of scenario. I think this will be something similar to that. It will not be sluggish. So it could literally take 2 or 3 or 4 days, trading days, I mean. But all in all, I think the maximum for this kind of perspective is about 2 weeks, because the downside target is not that far away, even on a daily time frame. If we start moving with the big red candles, it should be pretty fast. So overall, we need to watch this high produced today. I don't think price will go any higher than that. And here was also level of resistance previously formed, price rejecting it, so kind of double top formation, if I may say that. And if we put just the downtrend trend line, well, it hasn't touched it. Therefore, maybe there will be consolidation to test the trend line, maybe not, but we can attempt to draw different trend lines here. Yeah, it could be that the price will consolidate, will test it at some point here, and then price will start moving. So if that will be the case, we can see the potential rejection time of this trend line is the 27th. So 5 trading days of consolidation, this is something we might be seeing for the Euro Swiss franc, and only then price could be going down. But all in all, looks very bearish. Watching this high is very important, because break and close, especially daily close above, immediately will invalidate this bearish outlook. But as long as it's below, especially the daily close, this is clearly a very, very bearish scenario in my opinion. So that was it for today. Don't forget, as usual, to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, let me know down in the comments below what was wrong and how we can improve the content posted in our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you soon, and profits to you.